Hey everyone, Casey Neistat here. Remember that rush you get when you step off a plane, passport in hand, ready to explore a new place? It's exhilarating, right? Now imagine sharing that feeling with the world, inspiring others to chase their own adventures. That's the magic of travel vlogging. Travel vlogs are like windows to the world, offering glimpses into different cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unique experiences. They're raw, they're real, and they're a fantastic way to connect with fellow travel enthusiasts or inspire someone to take that leap of faith and book their dream trip. Remember that time I spontaneously flew to Japan for 48 hours? Just me, my camera, and a thirst for adventure. I documented the entire trip, from navigating the bustling streets of Tokyo to savoring authentic ramen. The response was incredible. People loved experiencing Japan through my eyes. That's the power of travel vlogging. It's about sharing your passion for travel and connecting with others who share that same wanderlust. So buckle up, grab your camera, and let's dive into the exciting world of travel vlogging. So, what exactly is a travel vlog? Simply put, it's a video blog that documents your travel experiences. Think of it as a personal travel diary, but instead of writing, you're filming. You'll capture everything from the moment you pack your bags to the sights you see, the food you eat, and the people you meet along the way. It's about sharing your unique perspective and taking your viewers on a journey with you. Travel vlogs can be as diverse as the destinations themselves. Some vloggers focus on budget backpacking, others on luxury travel. Some explore bustling cities, while others seek out off-the-beaten-path adventures. The beauty of travel vlogging is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about showcasing your personal travel style and sharing what excites you most about exploring the world. Ever scrolled through your feed and felt that pang of wanderlust watching someone explore a stunning beach or try exotic street food? That's the power of travel vlogs. They inspire us to break free from our routines and experience the world. But it's more than just pretty pictures. Travel vlogs offer valuable insights and practical tips for planning trips. Need recommendations for the best local restaurants in Rome? Want to know the secret to finding affordable flights? Chances are there's a travel vlog for that. Most importantly, travel vlogs foster a sense of connection. They remind us that we're all citizens of this incredible planet, eager to learn, explore, and connect with different cultures. Remember when I documented my trip to India? I shared my experiences with the chaotic streets, the vibrant culture, and the overwhelming kindness of the locals. It sparked conversations, broke down stereotypes, and showed the human side of travel. That's the real magic of travel vlogs. Feeling inspired? Awesome! The world is waiting to be explored, and your travel vlog could be the key to unlocking incredible experiences. Don't worry about fancy equipment or thousands of followers. Just grab your camera, pack your bags, and start documenting your adventures. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself, have fun, and share your passion for travel with the world. Who knows, you might just inspire someone to take their own life-changing journey. So, go out there, explore, create, and share your story.